It has been a welcome wet week in Singapore, with heavy showers ending the country's driest month since 1869. As a country without freshwater resource, Singapore collects every drop of water from the sky through its sophisticated network of drains, canals, and reservoirs. It also imports up to 250 million gallons of water from neighboring Malaysia. While local water catchment and water from Malaysia is very dependent on the weather, Singapore has developed two other unconventional sources to meet the country's growing thirst.
We got through the dry spell pretty well, I must say. And this is because over the years, we have built up a robust water supply system. We have what we call the 4 national taps. So we have water from our local catchment, right? That's the rain that we collect and store. We also import water from Malaysia, Johor. In recent years, we've added 2 other taps, which is new water and desalinated water. So our portfolio of 4 taps actually gives us a lot of flexibility in terms of managing our water demand.
In the New Water Visitor Center, the public can learn how Singapore recycles its water using advanced technologies. Although new water is primarily for industry uses right now, Singapore says the water is ultra clean and safe to drink. This is the future of Singapore's water supply, from sewage water to drinking water. Currently, this method can make 30% of Singapore's daily water needs. By the year of 2060, half of Singapore's water will come from these new water plants. While it's important to conserve and value water, Singapore wants its people to enjoy it as well. The country is working to transform drains, canals, and reservoirs into streams, rivers, and lakes. The idea is to bring people closer to water so they can better appreciate and cherish water. Mirulu, CCTV, Singapore.